Hello, myself Suman Kumar. I am pursuing my MBA from ITM Business School, Kharghar. Currently, I am working in an NGO,
Okay.
and today we have Mr. Harinath, who is doing an amazing work since 30 years in social work. So I welcome you, sir,
Thank
uh,
you.
on this platform. So, can we have some more information about you, sir?
Myself, uh, in life, I have just learned battle, battle, and battle till the last breath of the life. This is what my way of experiencing life is all about. And lots of ups and downs in life, right from education, from family, or from society. But every time, whenever I needed a support, Dorai Foundation has been with me for the past 10 years since now. I way back met Madam in New Delhi where I was just a guest for some time in National Trust where Madam was having an interview session in for an interview shoot actually she is doing a shoot she do does a shoot for National Trust for NIPMET like that. So I just met there by saying, yeah, there is a Madrasi. Usually, you know that in Delhi, usually we say there is a Madrasi means they typically South Indian means they don't tell us South Indian. They tell overall like, if a South Indian means itself it's a Madrasi. They don't split it off. If it's a Keralian, if it's a Teluguian, or if it's an Canada who speaks Kannada, they take as a Madrasi. So like that, we just met, and from there my journey began with the Dorai Foundation. Then slowly, steadily, now I have become a part and part of member of Dorai Foundation. That's what I'll say. So whenever there is a need, I all they ask for a means. If there is a no option, they just tell me, oh, okay, fine, Hadnath, you take over and you do it like that. And a few days back also there was a need for that. They have a CSR relating to Milo, the sachets, that. So I just thought of. I just went to ma'am's home for another reason because we have the follow ups. Means follow ups means in the sense day day to day, weekly we have the work there. So I sometimes ma'am tell me to follow up, so I just follow it up. So like that, went and met ma'am. So ma'am, that I diverted the things to some other place where usually I do a small investigation after I send everything there. So like that today I went there, saw everything okay, fine. Out of some boxes I have already it is been in distributed in the villages and in the youth related. You know that Milo sachet which ma'am decided this time to distribute among the youth persons who are working with the community, teachers, means officials, police personnel who are in the society for the poet who are working, right? So that like that small things. So like that. I did not know why ma'am suggested me yet, but ma'am told there is a problem in a person who is speaking, who doesn't understand Tamil. So can you just translate like that? But I am very weak in speaking and reading. Naturally, I am a CBSE, is a Central School student, so I only know purely Hindi, speaking and reading. So like that, and I've done few PGs in correspondence. Finally, I have done my MA career counseling in RJ University Sri Peramadur Youth Affairs Ministry related thing. Now it's a national importance institute. There also, first semester I was being detained due to why, because I did not know the spelling of psychology. You see, it is so silly to say that spelling of psychology I don't know. I was being detained. I just when the tears came into my eyes only at that point of time. You see, I was 36 or 37 when I went there, and every other guys were almost at your age. Difference between me and the guys are almost 12 to 14 years. So at that point of time only, when they told no, you have been detained in four subjects, regular stream, and I had to travel for almost 60 to 70 kilometers daily up and down. So after that, after writing the exam, you see how hard the thing is. We have been detained in four subjects, the two main subjects. Then I told, no, ma'am. After wiping up the tears, I told, in this university, I am going to get the first class degree, and I am then only going to get out of this university by having that mark sheet of E grades. First class, not distinction, at least first class. Because that's what I was confident. I have done it also. So like that, every UG, PG, wherever I have done, the struggling has been with me, and I have been like a mom hugging a child, small child who weeps and come to the mom. Like that, ma'am usually she takes me in whenever there is a small sort of problems or big relating to my personal life also. Like that, Dorai Foundation is like what to say. Typically, if I want to say Krishna Yashoda Maya, this word I can add. There is no words more than that for me to say. Krishna was born somewhere else, and he has been taken over by someone else. And Yashoda Maya, he took her on her control. So like that. Short
So
and
probably, yes, sir.
tell him, बोलिए madam.
So, we're very close to Sumitra ma'am ourselves, and we definitely take your kind words to her, and we'll pass on the message for sure. How much you remember her and all that you had to say for her, and that is why she chose you. And I'm sure there's a lot of inspirational learnings that we would take away from today's interview.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Sir,
madam. I
sir, can we
understand
know?
Hindi, no issues. I understand Hindi. Okay, I also had a stage fear when I first when I went to that university, and first was my, what to say, that presentation. In my first PG, that's one of my PGs in regular stream, but that's my first PG in career counseling. There was a there was a conference room in which my batchmates were there, and I was there. So for the 6 months I was वो क्या कहते हैं ना, वो उछलबाजी वो सब कर रहा था, तो they were just almost like what to say, wolf running behind a trendy, what to say, deer, like that. They were almost very we want to, what to say, we want to take him, means ditch him, or we want to pull his legs down, that this that. Then only at the because usually after presentation there's a question, and usually the students, they will question the guy who is presenting the presentation, right? So as quick as the presentation got over, the guys, they were one by one, they, okay, bullet जो कि AK-47 से जो निकलता है वैसे They were just starting firing, and ma'am, she just saw something is literally it is coming out of his eyes. So then ma'am told, stop it. It is not a, what to say, a firing field, right? He has also come here for learning, and you are also learning here. You see, he is role number one, right? And you are almost seven or there. If he again depends on you, then no one will stand in front of. So no cross questions like that. Whatever he has presented in the presentation for PPT, whatever doubt is there, you can ask that. He will reply for that. That's it. And then only from there only the, you see, the steadily the thing started. And why I appreciate ma'am is because uh, at that point of time I did not know where to go, what to do while I was doing my PG. Then because previously I was associated with Spastic Society of India, which is now called as Vidyasagar. If you could come to Chennai also, you can have a visit there also in Vidyasagar. So there, one of the founder trustee, she is Poonam Natarajan Madam. So I just thought of her because her child was almost, I think they got two late child, and her child was, they got some disability. I don't know that exact disability. She struggled with the child, and for him only Vidyasagar was being born. So there were there, and Sumitra ma'am's son. He is also one of the batchmates of that institution only, where he had finished his 12th standard. So way back, because of that, I just thought of madam. Okay, fine, ma'am. I'll take inspiration from you, and then only I started at the usually. Sorry, I means bravery. I just here and there. I'm just telling it. In the PG first year, four years. The thing was, at the last semester after finishing the main papers only I can write that arrears. I returned it, I cleared everything. But what to say that my new COE, he just came into the frame and he told, no, no, whatever you have done previously, I won't agree for it. There, I just got the confidence level high. I just told, okay, fine, sir. What is the problem? He told, you can, now you are enough capable of writing everything of your own. Why can't you write of your own in the single hand? Because in the single hand, I can at the maximum write for 2.5 hours. That's it. If I keep the pen down, everything is over. Then for the next day only, I can take the pen. That much strain I have to take continuously, like running writing, like that. Then I told, okay, sir, fine. If you are having the power to stop everything, stop it and give me a time of morning session, afternoon session, forenoon, afternoon, PG paper. And I have returned it. I can't waste all the day for one paper. So I have afternoon, forenoon, like that. One. I think I have done 38 papers. Morning one, afternoon, like that. Finished it, completed it, and then I just told to the person, that's the assistant of the COE, that I am going to New Delhi. Okay. So we- today is Friday. I am leaving. Monday morning, if I don't get this certificate, means then I am going to sue a case against the RG Inevadi COE personally, because he was having some personal issues with me. So he had stopped everything and he had made me rewrite. I have returned it and I have come down. Now it is the government. Now it's the RTA. I am going to put like that. And next thing, till the case is being heard, the COE will be suspended. This is what the verdict which I will take from there. and I directly went to National Trust where the Poonam Natarajan ma'am was there. There only I met madam. So double booster. This one, that one, because ma'am Poonam ma'am she was sitting in Delhi as a chairperson, and she was here, Sumitra member. So I just thought, okay, fine. Some person is there in Chennai who can take care of me like a mother. And I just, so these things happened. And on Monday morning, every set was ready. And from college, the call is coming by saying, sir, every set is ready. Tell your son to come back here and get this certificate in person. And I told, okay, okay, Papa, everyone knows that I am in Delhi, including the college lecturers, everyone knows I am in Delhi. But officially they have to tell, right? So they told, okay, Papa, you go. I will make arrangements for you. You go by afternoon 2 o'clock. We will get a red carpet from National Trust. I just made my documents done. CC to every person, disability related persons. I just CC to BCC to every person, and I just made a letter to the COE by saying my father will come and take the certificate. Then the call from Delhi came. The to the director, who is that person, that this that with the every evidence he is submitting here, what happened and what this that. So by the time 2 o'clock, everyone was on the gate, including the director of the director's PS. She received my father. She directly took to the director. Director told, sir, here is your son's set of mark sheet. First, you have a cup of tea, and then you see whether it is perfectly alright or not, and just ring him up and tell him that everything is alright. Shall I leave the place or not? First, you do this statement. My father did not understand what was happening in RJ wedding. He just know he just knew that this is what is going to get happen. You just go, Papa. Red carpet will be waiting. So like that means, so I am in, why ma'am chose me, because I am, जब क्या कहते हैं ना जब I am my father is a defense retired person, so I am basically पक्का. अगर dot pin means dot pin, that's it. I don't go here or there, that's it. If it is not to this, not to my perfection, बड़ास निकाल दूंगा. Like that, seriously, you have to also take your education. You have to see behind that how many people are working behind you, including your, right from your, only your parents are working, right? Hmm? But apart from that, you should know that right from the college gatekeeper till the principal, if they all are doing their responsibility well and fine, then only you can sit in your student chair and you can receive the education, the semester, the semester and the subject which you want to receive, you can receive it. If something goes wrong somewhere means, like it's a ताश का पत्ता जिसे कहते हैं ना, एक हिलाने से सब कुछ टूट जाता है, right? So always you have to remember that. Only projection is your parents, your project, you see in front of you. Because this statement, one of my lecture he gave to me. It was a common youth empowerment class where we almost every batch student, that was a compulsory class for every batch, and we were having five different streams. Like I was a career counseling batch, life skills, local governance, gender studies, like that. And one more thing. So there like that 5 different batches, and in that common class only all the class students they will be in a place. There only he told, right from the electricity department till from the AC and from the like that, each and every person, if he works only, you can come and sit in this chair comfortably, and I can also project, including the projected technician. LED, that LED OSP slide which we usually show for the entire school, entire classroom. OSP sheet in which he will be writing something and he'll be showing it, right? So like that. I think I'm going away from the. Hmm? No.
No, sir, not at all,
No,
sir.
sir, absolutely not. And your story seems very
It,
inspiring. So I
yes,
think
sir.
each word that you say is an inspiration to us right now.
And
Yeah,
also, sir,
because
Yes, sir.
it is
I
nice to
have
hear, sir.
I have gone through everything, and you are just stepping. I think you are first year to second year, right? You are
First year,
stepping
First
sir.
year, sir.
first year to
First
second
year,
year.
sir. Second
First,
sem.
first year,
Yes,
second
sir.
sem. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is a very very crucial time where you have to see the next thing, project.
Yes.
Project, right? You should have decided by now what will be your project. At the end of the second sem only, they'll be asking, right? Your what is your project, and what next dissertation you will be submitting will be your guide accordingly, right? Have you thought about it, madam? You
Yes,
no.
sir. And we are on that stage of finalizing right now because actually, sir, in fact, this NGO internship is helping out a lot to understand where do we stand and what skills do we have.
Hmm.
And it's actually a very crucial period, as you said,
Hmm.
to take decisions.
Hmm. What have you taken till now? At least something you would have jotted down the points, right?
Yes, sir, definitely. So, yes, sir. So basically, I'm the team leader for the interview team, and I've myself interviewed seven really specially abled achievers. And what I have learned so far is that no matter what life gives or throws on you, just keep the door of opportunities open like they do.
Yeah, you say, there is a wording by saying, if someone is throwing the stone on you, keep it safe to build
Of
your own
course.
building.
Wow, I think so. This is one more thing to take from here then. And when we write reports on the interviews, these are the lines that we probably use that really
Uh,
struck with us and would stay for a long time now.
Hmm. So, I just means because this is the first time that I means last few years that's your seniors and super seniors. I just saw it in person. That's way back 4 to 6 years back. It seems
Wow.
your seniors ITM where your madam is there. Here there in Mumbai. She was here in
hmm.
Chennai, and we celebrated the Christmas, New Year, and everything in your ITM also. Where
Wow.
the students they just invited us there for a song, what's it, that dance program and like that because of Corona. So now COVID. So for the past 4 years, but they have been coming up and down for every program they have been doing like that. So means are you three of you are planning in disability sector or in any other sector? I'm just asking you. Just
No, no, sir. So basically, this is the NGO internship that we're supposed
okay,
to do
okay, okay.
from a college. So that is what we're here for.
And nothing
Yes, sir.
relating to
सॉरी, मुझे
designation.
इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट करने में परेशानी हो रही है। शायद रूटर में कोई समस्या है।
So when you
इस
can
मीटिंग
mute
से
yourself for a
रिस्टार्ट करें।
second.
Enema?
That's okay. Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. So not you haven't decided in your at your dissertation till now.
No, no, sir. We still have
No,
time
no,
for
not
that.
yet.
Hmm. And sir, how about you, Mr. Sharma, sir?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir,
Ma'am
not
has
yet.
given her introduction to me, so now it is your turn because you only call me. So because the thing was
Yeah, I told you.
9191 number came, so I just thought
Yeah,
it is again Airtel
Airtel
call.
also you
That's why I
told.
wasn't able to pick the call. Then only I just saw ma'am's thing. Ma'am just gave me the number, so that's what. That's why. Tell me about yourself a little bit.
Yeah,
Sorry,
so
because
sir.
I as a career counselor, masters in career counselor, so ये मत सोचना कि कहाँ आके फंस गए
Arey,
करके
obviously
No, no,
not,
of
sir.
course not,
We are,
sir.
actually, it's been
इसलिए
a
मैंने पहले
very.
कहा था कि मुझे देख के डर मत जाना
Arey,
करके.
no, sir.
हम्म?
Obviously not. It's been a very
हम्म.
interactive session, and I love how the way you are interacting with us guys. So, sir, my name is Shubham, and I am also doing MBA from ITM Business School in
What
marketing.
is your specialization? Are you doing anything
Market,
marketing? Okay,
marketing, sir.
okay,
Our
okay.
all three of us are from marketing specialization.
Okay, now I'll ask you a general question.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Now, because today only, just now only some few hours back, half an hour back only, Modi was telling that now what is a small initiative, that small industry initiative. So
Hmm.
for that, the uh, present government is going to initiate. So what do you think about it? Because you are what to say, marketing gurus of. I have to
Not
say it.
yet.
I have to say it because I can see the what to say that facial expression that you are so confident about yourself. Yes, that because without confidence, no one will take marketing. Usually, people generally they take MBA in HR or MBA in finance, but marketing means especially the person जो कहते हैं ना डुबकी चलो ठीक है डुबकी मार लेते हैं क्या है क्या नहीं कितना 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 गहरा पानी है वो डुबकी मार के देख लेते हैं करके the guys who decide and before itself taking the thing they just decide and then only they go for it and you three are like that.
Maybe the person who is confident before or who wants to learn.
Yeah, the person who wants to learn
Yeah.
they only वही marketing लेते हैं.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm not very confident, but
अरे
I
यार
want to be.
अरे
That's why I
नहीं
have
नहीं
choose
नहीं नहीं नहीं
marketing over
ये
any
क्या
other
कहते हैं
specialization,
ये
sir.
ये मुझे क्या कहते हैं ये छोटे जब मैं 1 साल का था 2 साल का था तभी मुझे वो
No, sir, no,
क्या
sir.
कहते हैं वो कान छेद करते हैं ना वो कर दिया हमें तो कान दोबारा छेद करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
No, sir, I'm being very honest, sir. I'm very introvert and I don't prefer to be in public or in
See
speaking
one
over
thing
public thought.
one thing can I tell you
Yeah.
you have an starting problem ignition problem you are having
Hmm.
right
You're right, sir.
and if I go to madam means it is a toss hit मिला tail मिला तो मिला कहते हैं ना वो there is a saying in a Tamil
Hmm.
if you bow an arrow
Hmm.
मिला तो बहुत मिला वरना कुछ नहीं means जैसे मिला तो if you could get means you can get a mountain or you might get nothing also.
Nothing. Goes for all in or broke.
Yeah तो ऐसा it's a proverb in
Hmm.
Tamil. So like that characteristic you are. Right?
I
Sir,
don't
I
know.
believe to. Is he talking this about for Shubham?
No, that's for you.
Okay, so yeah, so that's what I was thinking that
I
I usually.
for Shubham means I am for Shubham. No, for Sharma. That's Sharma. I am telling him is
Hmm.
he is having an ignition problem.
Yes, sir, of
स्टार्टिंग
course.
स्टार्टिंग जैसे जैसे बुलेट को स्टार्ट करते हुए थोड़ा बहुत फटफट 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 जो एक दफा दो दफा किक मारना पड़ता है, जब जब शुरू हो जाता है फिर तो बस उसकी 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 चलती है, रामलीला जैसे चलती रहती है. लाइक दैट हिज कैरेक्टर इज, एंड योर कैरेक्टर इज लाइक मींस जो अभी जो मैंने कहा था ना एक
Hanji, sir, I got it. Yes, sir. Yes,
जगह
sir.
पे एक
So the purpose is, of course, to get information, to get knowledge out of everything that we do. So if I invest 1 hour with you to get inspired by you, to take learnings home back, to take these learnings back home. So that is the purpose at all times.
and Sugan Kumar sir, I
Yes, sir.
will. He is a very very what to say observer instead of इनकी इनकी इनके इनके यहाँ तो कुछ मुंह से उतना जल्दी निकाल नहीं सकते वर्ड्स.
Yes,
Am I right?
yes, sir.
है कि
Actually,
नहीं?
sir, yes, sir.
And your confidence level should be little bit high.
Yes,
Now you have come to an professional MBA, right?
yes,
Where
sir.
you have to speak. Without speaking in marketing, nothing can be done.
Definitely, sir.
Finance चलता है, HR चलता है. You can make the work done through others, but in marketing you have to market yourself.
Exactly,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Keep that in your mind. No other option. डुबकी अगर आपको क्या कहते हैं, अगर आपको स्विमिंग नहीं आती, आपने डुबकी मार लिया, you have to
Okay.
swim for your survival,
Yes, sir.
right? That's what I just thought of sharing with three of you. Any crossfire?
No, sir.
नहीं, वही मैं भी सोच रहा कि तमिल में क्या बात करना है, तमिल में क्या बात करना है करके मैं तब से सोच रहा हूँ. बोलिए, पूछो.
So, sir, can
So,
we move ahead?
Yeah.
Like
yes, sir.
the questions we have,
Yeah,
we want
sorry,
to
I was just
hear.
that's
Arey,
what I was asking
So,
you.
thank you
There's
so
it's
much, sir.
something which you want to ask, you just ask me. So I did not know that you are
Arey,
waiting for my introduction.
no, it's okay. It's perfectly
You can
fine.
you can very well ask. I am free now. That's why once the time is allotted, that's it.
No, it's good to hear
Go
you,
ahead,
sir.
no issues. You are having 3 question papers with you, all the 3 of you. One by one, you can ask question with me. No issues. You want to tell me in Tamil?
No, sir.
No, sir. We don't
Of course not.
understand. No, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, so my next question is, sir, can you share something like which motivated you to join this kind of social activities, or some challenging moment you faced? Sir, can you share some memories out of it?
Yeah, means mm,
Sir,
same thing. Again and again, wherever you go, I was just what to say, नहीं, तुम ऐसे हो, तुम ऐसे हो. Means you are a disabled person. You can't. Wherever you go, where you find you can't, like that means why we can't. Introspecting, introspecting ourselves. Why we can't. Let us try.
No, sir. Like you have done MBA in psychology also. So, what one incident was that when you thought that you should go into social service irrespective of some corporate sector? Is there any such incident happened with you in personal life so that you decided that I should work for the differently abled persons?
No. I was in a corporate previously.
Okay.
Initial stage while I finished my UGs and few PGs, I was in corporate where people did not understood me. they couldn't able to understand me. Usually, you see in a corporate sector, they say 3% reservation, right? They say, but how many people they understand the person with disabled? This is the question. A fee that too, gents means okay, fine. By physical और विदाउट बेशरम वो पूछ लेता है कि मुझे ये चाहिए करके. But a female, understand about her, you can understand, right? Because you also have few of your colleagues, so like that. So in a corporate sector, still now थोड़ा बहुत थोड़ा बहुत क्या दे दो. जस्ट नो ये CSR करके आ रहा है ना. So this CSR sometimes only they just, जब December 4th आता है, वर्ल्ड डिसेबल डे आता है, उससे 2 दिन या 4 दिन पहले, हाँ डिसेबल्ड है, वो है, ये है, उनको ये करना, उनको वो करना, उनको ताज़ा करना है, बस 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 बस. 2-4 सेल्फी ले लिया, जैसे क्या कहते हैं वो मदर्स डे के या वुमेंस डे या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे में वो एक पिक्चर होता है ना, जब ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे के वक्त दिन सभी आके अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के गोदी में लेट के सेल्फी लेते हैं. अगले दिन देखा तो कोई कहीं नहीं. They are all busy on their own schedule, like that. Still just know थोड़ा बहुत अवेयरनेस आया ये कह के कि there should be some approaches, such as in a public place there are few ramps which has been that too only on government places, and very high profile companies such as Tata, या ऐसे हाई प्रोफाइल जो कि कंपनीज होती हैं, जहां पे अभी they have told that yes, without the parameters, जब they won't approve for the building, then only they go for that things. Do you understand that? जैसे एक पोलिंग बूथ ही ले लो. You see every 3 years or every 5 years polling comes, right? कितने उसमें पोलिंग बूथ रैंप और परमानेंटली बने हैं. There are few schools in your location also. There will be few schools where every time polling comes, there should be a permanent ramp, right? At least a toilet. सबर्बन ट्रेन्स में देखो, स्टेशंस में देखो, कितने पर्सन विद डिसेबल्ड के टॉयलेट्स अनलॉक्ड है. They will everywhere, the toilet will be there, but it will be locked. Then how a person with a disabled can go and have a free toileting, sanitation? These are the places where still no awareness hasn't come. So for these things only, until unless in a family there is no physically challenged person, आपके भाई, आपके रिलेशन या कोई भी हो जो कि डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हो, तब तक आप उनके वो समझ नहीं सकते until you don't have a sibling.
So, sir, what do you think is the role of academics? Means how the people see person with disabilities? Do you? Yeah.
Yes, if you take academics means right from LKG you have to train the guys. छोटे बच्चों को जैसे मेन स्ट्रीमिंग करते हैं ना. Now only just now mainstreaming has been coming, right, booming up, right? In every private sector or every academics, there should be a 3% or 4% reservation meant for differently abled. Huh?
Yes.
So I strongly believe that right from LKG, if my जो कहते हैं ना फ्यूचरिस्टिक वो गोल्स जो होते हैं, आई विल बिलीव दैट जिस दिन एलकेजी से जो बच्चा आता है, पर्सन विद डिसेबल्ड आता है, when he finishes 12th standard, at least he will have a sum of 2 or 4 friends whom he can say, हाँ ये मुझे अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं, next to their parents, that day should come. You can write this strongly, that day should come. Now they are telling, okay, mainstream aa raha hai, mainstream aa raha hai, mainstream aa raha hai, okay, fine. My vision is that only. Right from LKG till the 12th standard, if a person with disabled continues his study with his own batchmates, they will understand much more better than much more equivalent to the parents, because 8 hours he is spending here in 24 hours. So they know, हाँ ये ऐसा है ऐसा है. So he needs some kind of, जब थोड़ा बहुत आता है तो he can be helped out.
So, sir, basically, you are working for the person with special abilities for last 30 years. So, what kind of services you give to them so that they will be equally justified in the society with the normal people? What kind of services you are involved in?
इन्वॉल्वमेंट यानी कि मैं डायरेक्टली आई डेंट इन्वॉल्व
Okay.
डायरेक्टली फॉर राइट फ्रॉम व्हेन वो क्या कहते हैं ना एजुकेशन सेक्टर में, वही राइट फ्रॉम यूजी पीजी ये सब करते करते करते, when the exact battle began, that time only I just saw madam. So okay, 2000, right from 2000, might be 12 or 13, 13 January I saw her. So right from there till now, I have been with her. Okay, fine. जहाँ जहाँ टच अप करना है,
Mm.
जैसे कहते हैं ना, when there is a need, I'll come, I'll finish the work and I'll go. That's all. ऐसा है. So at least क्या कहते हैं ना, जो ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा नहीं तो कम से कम जो राम सेतु में जो गिलहरी जो करता है ना, like that, something
Yes.
छोटा like that. I can't
Have,
tell that okay ये इतना, I don't want to वो बूम करके मैं बताने के वो नहीं हूँ, काबिल नहीं हूँ. That's what I'll say.
but every contribution is important, no matter it is small or large,
हाँ
because
वो तो है, हाँ वो तो है, वो तो है. Means if a small event takes place in Dorai Foundation, okay, Harinath, fine. Now the event is going to get started. You document it, means right from the starting till the end. I'll document it and I'll give it to them. That's it. Each and everything सिस्टम के हिसाब से आएगा, सिस्टम के हिसाब से फिनिश इट ऑफ, मैडम खत्म दीजिए, ये ऐसा 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 है करके. ओके, लाइक दैट.
so, sir, while you are doing this service for so many years, so there must be many incidents where you get proud of yourself that yes, I'm in the right place. So, can you remember one such incident which really touched you?
बेटा, every time when I hear beta or
Yeah.
kanna means here they say कृष्ण कन्हैया को कन्ना करके कहते हैं in South.
Hmm.
Whenever I hear that both words from ma'am's mouth or in the WhatsApp words, I feel proud. There is nothing more than that. Sometimes, okay, छोटा छोटा मोटा मम्मी के मम्मी मम्मी पापा मम्मी बच्चे के लड़के के बीच में थोड़ा बहुत क्या कहते हैं ना लड़का लड़मबाजी वो सब चलता है, बट अगेन क्या कहते हैं जो घर घर का बच्चा जो अगर दोबारा घर में आता है तो जस्ट टेक्स इट एज इट इज, यू नो.
Hmm.
तो ऐसा I just nowadays I start learning from my own mistakes. Previously I was not like that, but now okay, because as you know, as the means age आपका एज प्लस होता होता रहता है ना,
Hmm.
यू गेट दैट. नहीं हमें वो इंट्रोस्पेक्शन जो कहते हैं, दैट यू गेट things from introspecting yourself when you do the incident, that by saying no, this is not the way that has to be done, which has to be like that. Next.
Next one, do you have any questions, bro?
What ma?
No, not to you, sir. I'm asking him that is he having any questions?
Sir, sir, you as you are a social worker also, sir, many people comes to you like for helping help. Sir, then how you prioritize your मतलब कि for whom like for help first or like something.
See, in social
How you
work,
prioritize. Mhm.
tell me, finish your
How
words.
you how you prioritize your work, sir.
First, I analyze how much important the work is. जब कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता तभी मेरे पास आते हैं बच्चे, कोई भी हो. When there is no other option, then only people come to me. हरिनाथ के पास जाओगे तो ये काम खत्म हो जाएगा, ऐसे करके ही लोग ऐसे सबके दिमाग में चढ़ा हुआ है. We'll see here there वो सब देखेंगे, उनका वहां वहां पे वो नहीं लगा, तब आखिर में हरिनाथ की जो जो क्या कहते हैं शिव वर देता हो तो शिव के सर में हाथ रख के मारते हैं, देखते हैं कि वर सही निकला है कि नहीं, क्या करके लाइक दैट. आई एम नॉट प्राउड अबाउट माई सेल्फ, पर ये क्या कहते हैं खुद के उसमें धक्का मुक्का माजी देख कर करके मैंने सीख लिया अपने आप को, कहाँ कौन सा हथौड़ा मारने से कहाँ कहाँ का कौन सा कील ढकेगा, क्या है क्या नहीं करके. राइट. इफ यू जैसे क्या कहते हैं एक जगह पे जहाँ पे कि हथौड़ा ठोकना है वहां पे ठोका नहीं तो उसके अगला अगला ऊपर का कील कौन है या नीचे का कील कौन है जहाँ पे उसको हिलाने से जो वो अपने आप हिल के नीचे गिरेगा करके.
Yes. Okay, sir.
समझे नहीं?
समझे
समझ
समझे
गया
सर.
समझ
नहीं आप समझ गए, लेकिन आपने समझा नहीं है ना.
मैं
ये
समझ गया
घुमा
सर.
फिरा के बात कर रहे हैं करके सोच रहे हो, राइट.
नहीं नहीं सर. It's better to learn from examples.
Yes sir.
आई ऑल क्योंकि बिकॉज क्योंकि मेरे साइकोलॉजी के गुरु ने यही कहा था, instead of learning the theory, you can just
Go for example.
better go for an example where you can
Example. Yes sir.
if you
Exactly
remember
sir.
the example, naturally the theory will come into your mind and you can
Yeah,
finish the task and come back,
So one.
right.
right,
Yes
sir.
sir.
So, last but not the least, sir, what message do you want to give us to the youths?
Youth.
Yeah, like who wants to give it back to the society, like that.
Who wants to contribute sir? Like you are contributing sir. Who?
Contributing.
Yes sir.
You, out of 100%, आपके थाली में clearly you just listen it, okay.
Yes, sir.
आपके थाली में जब अपने लिए कुछ नहीं रखोगे तो इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ डूइंग सोशल वर्क. because your parents are there, your family is there, your society is there. Hmm? So
Yes, sir.
keep 10% or 20% something for yourself. Rest of the 80% you do. कोई मना नहीं करेगा. जब आप भूखे भूखे रह के पूरा आप दूसरों को दे दोगे, then no one will come and feed you. Right?
Right.
I hope you understand.
Of course.
Keep something for yourself. Something minimum.
It's
आपका
just like that. Help yourself before helping others.
your heart will tell you, okay, fine. ये अपने लिए ठीक है. Rest of the things you do, but don't do fully. क्योंकि fully कर करके ही हम we have lost too many things. In it is including myself. I am telling. So don't do that mistake. Keep something for yourself because you are answerable for your family. You are answerable for your better half, like futuristic, their family, and the society. Because it's not only you who are having an initial. After that, we'll be having a better half, children. So everyone will be in your circle. First, see to it that you are answerable to your circle. First circle first. Make them satisfied that what you are doing is 100% right. दिल से मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो 100% परफेक्ट है मेरे हिसाब से. Right?
Right, sir.
And then if you proceed means always a backup, your family will be there with you. Because without your family, social work is nil. This is what I have experienced. I think I'm going little bit very
No, no,
serious.
no.
Yeah, इतना
But it's true.
आखिर में इतना सीरियसली रिकॉर्डिंग पहुंच गया क्या? Because
But it's true. Really a lesson.
थोड़ा थोड़ा कड़वा लगता है पर that is the सच.
Yeah.
Because ultimately the question, जो क्वेश्चन आता है, I always stick to the point. थोड़ा डिविएशन होना पड़ता है, क्या करें. बचने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत वॉकिंग करना पड़ता है, क्या करें. Like that, right?
Right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. It was such an amazing to hear you, sir.
Yes, sir.
सॉरी
Definitely.
क्योंकि
Such
मैं
a
आपको
lovely
नहीं,
experience,
ये
sir.
है ना कि द थिंग इज 9191 आया था जिसकी वजह से आई कुडंट एबल टू सोचा.
It's okay, sir. It's all right.
नहीं,
Mm,
चाहे मैं उम्र में बड़ा हूँ लेकिन गलती की है तो गलती माननी पड़ेगी ना.
Arey,
ये
no,
भी है.
sir. It's not your fault.
So
I
this
will
is
get
also
back
one.
to you after some
नहीं,
time
this is
if
also
you
one
didn't.
more biggest lesson that you can take it from me. जो आप जैसे छोटा सा गलती हो चाहे बड़ा सा गलती हो, अगर आपको माफी मन से लगा मुझे माफी मांगनी चाहिए, आज तक माफ कर दो करके कहने से आप छोटे और वो बड़े नहीं बन जाएंगे, बट यू विल गेट द पीस ऑफ स्लीप एंड एट दैट नाइट.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, हमने मन का भार कम कर दिया. If he forgives or forgets also, it is none of वो ये कहते हैं ना that you leave it to them and leave it to God, and always last and final करके मैं खींचता चला जा रहा हूँ.
अरे no, no issues
Yes,
sir.
नहीं, always thank to God that He has given the day.
Yes sir.
That जो मेरा experience है वो मैं कह रहा हूँ. Thank to God that He has given the day in the morning. उठे, भगवान को 2 सेकंड के लिए बस डीप ब्रेथ. भगवान, आपने मुझे ये दिन दिया, शुक्रिया. एंड इस दिन में मुझे मूड अपसेट करने वाला या मूड उल्टा पुल्टा करने वाला इंसिडेंट आए तो भी मुझे अपने कंट्रोल में रहना है, ये कह के यू स्टार्ट फॉर द डे. एंड अगर बीच में कोई वो ये हुआ तो भी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बिफोर गोइंग फॉर द बेड भगवान से माफी मांग लो. जो मैंने नोन और अननोन, जो मैंने किसी को मन को ठेस पहुंचाया हो, तो हे भगवान मुझे माफ कर देना. एंड यू गो फॉर अ बेड, स्लीप. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंस, राइट?
Right sir.
नेक्स्ट सेकेंड यू डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंस, बट आपका मन का भार कम हो जाएगा. As a, these were the things which I have learned from my life. ये बहुत क्या कहते हैं ना, थोड़ा आउट ऑफ द फ्रेम, आउट ऑफ द वो जाता है, पर because I have got an opportunity, I don't know when again I'll be getting an opportunity to see you back. But जो opportunity मिलता है spontaneously you have to use it, utilize it. जैसे आपने सातों, I am the 8th one, right?
Hmm.
8वां हूँ मैं ना.
No, for a sixth.
6th.
Yeah.
4 more.
No, I think total 15.
15.
Yeah.
So you have to split it 15 or 15 case study you have to write it.
No, total 15 interviews, 15 different persons.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I just I have got the क्या कहते हैं वो जो तुम जो कह रहे हो 14 questions वो मेरे पास पड़े हुए हैं.
No, sir. Questionnaire.
Questionnaire, that's what questionnaire which you which क्या कहते हैं ना ये. I'll just send you the questionnaire
Okay, sir.
because I have just ये कि हमारा ये है ना ग्रुप जो होता है ना, I'll just send you. You just see it over the mobile whether the same questionnaire is there or something else. Okay, just a second. I've seen your face also. I think some few days back, one of my friend he just
Oh, it's for youth leader.
he just asked me the help.
Okay.
Now I think the madam's face will come in there.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Right, sir.
And you have interviewed a few of the other persons also in this.
Maybe there are different groups.
Yeah. That's what madam has referred to you different group. Today also morning also one of the person he was telling me, yeah, from Mumbai, some person they just interviewed me because they were asking in Hindi. Over phone they just sent me a link. They were asking in Hindi, but I couldn't able to answer in Hindi. This was the problem between me and that group like that. And this guy who is in middle, for him only that Milo related thing went up.
Hmm.
So through him only, he just told me yesterday or day before yesterday only the interview went up for him online, 9 o'clock in the morning. I think yesterday. Yes, yesterday morning.
Maybe of
9
some
o'clock, yeah.
different groups.
So he asked me some because because he is coming from a very remote village and he couldn't able to understand that questionnaire. So he just asked me. I just need some few help to understand what the questionnaire is all about. So I just sent him the briefing about the thing in one word or two words.
Hmm.
Means these are the homeworks which I usually क्या कहते हैं ना जो आपने मैडम जो सुमन सर ने कहा था ना यानी how do you analyze the things which you usually comes करके
Hmm.
these are the things which जो suddenly simultaneously comes out they so so for that questionnaire just to see my answer which I have given there I'll just send you. Now I have sent you.
Yeah, I've seen it, sir.
Yeah. So this is so like this only the live thing comes. How crucial the क्या कहते हैं जो इवेंट होता है या जो हेल्थ
Hmm.
रिलेटेड होता है वो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है वो एनालाइज करना लाइक दैट जो सर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना लाइक दैट द थिंग कम्स आउट so we just exchange everything like that and afterwards on the next on the frequently on that same thing after the interview went off you just come madam just commented them by saying yeah you just interaction जो निकला वो अच्छा निकला करके and he also thanked me. I told no don't need to thank me because ma'am has introduced me to you so the credit goes to ma'am only. तो रिटर्न बैक जो प्रोटोकॉल्स होते हैं ना वो रिटर्न बैक जिसको जहाँ पहुँचना है so ऐसे
Yes, sir.
so these are the things. I think you have got your answer right Suman sir.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
जो
Yes,
आपने
yes,
पूछा था
sir.
ना कि कब आप कैसे एनालाइज करते हो क्वेश्चन importance of the work which comes off करके
Yes,
these
sir.
are the things which I use but I am not that much too good in gadget related but according to the situation we have to the questionnaire came to me right around by around night 10:30 immediately छट से थोड़ा बहुत होमवर्क किया within 1 hour I just asked him half an hour time 15 minutes के अंदर अंदर उसको वर्कआउट किया sent off always next lesson is always ask some extra time whenever wherever you go if
Yes,
its
sir.
work is for 1 day ask 1.5 day finish it within 1 day so the person also will be happy by thinking oh चलो ठीक है इन्होंने एक दिन डेढ़ दिन का काम एक दिन में खत्म कर दिया वो ठीक है करके but you only know the work is only for 1 day so like that ऐसे छोटे छोटे lessons है जो कि proverb की तरह जो आप hint की तरह जहाँ जहाँ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो इस्तेमाल कर लो लाइफ में बहुत बहुत बड़े बनोगे I want to see
Yes,
you
sir.
as
Yes, sir.
marketing gurus of
Definitely.
Mumbai or any state like that ठीक है because
Definitely.
ITM है ही ऐसा जो बच्चे जो हमारे इर्द गिर्द 6 साल 5 साल पहले थे नाउ दे आर बहुत ही जिम ऑफ द जिम करके कहते हैं ना लाइक दैट अभी है ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर ओके एनी क्वेश्चंस
No, sir. We're done. Thank you so much, sir. It's been pleasure to listen you.
and how about
Here
madam
also, sir.
she is still there or
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir, I am. Of course.
I like your smile a lot
Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure interviewing you and to learn so much from you.
You are listening so much time, right?
Yes, of course, I was sitting right here.
Yeah,
Actually, I was
that's
managing
really
other
it's-
teams as
yeah,
well.
yeah. You are a good listener then. I should
Definitely,
learn
sir.
a lesson by. I should learn a lesson from you.
And she
I
is a very good leader too.
हैं?
Thank you, Shubham.
I
अरे
said she is a very good leader.
2023 है ना, 2023 से पहले पहले मैं भी आऊंगा, चलो ठीक है, डन।
Sure,
Of
sure,
course, sir, please,
अभी
और
तक
हम आपसे
sure,
आके जरूर मिलेंगे भी.
अभी तक मैंने मुंबई देखा नहीं।
sure,
The
sir. Please,
state,
please
the
come.
state only I haven't visited is Mumbai. That's what Maharashtra, and I haven't visited राजस्थान। ये दो स्टेट ऐसे हैं जो कि मैंने विजिट नहीं किया। I've gone to Nathula border also and I've come back।
Wow.
ये क्या कहते हैं ना, ये LOC है। People have told this is what LOC is, line of control। From here, from Nathula border, nearest China city, where the nearest petrol bunk is 550 kilometers. So this is the place where Nehru had opened the road between India and China। तो वहां
Okay.
तक छंगो झील
Portrayed.
सब कुछ होके आ गए। So Maharashtra and Rajasthan is only two places where I haven't visited yet। I'll
We
visit
should
once.
plan a vacation soon
I'll
then.
once visit. I'll
Please
once
come to Mumbai, sir.
request madam to have at least a session of Zoom session at least like this, so that at least I can have a motivational speech। I hope I have motivated you।
Yes, sir. Of course.
Definitely, sir,
A
you
lot,
did.
sir. A lot, sir.
नहीं नहीं, उतना satisfactorily I don't get the answer। क्या भैया जी, रात के सोते हुए सोने का टाइम हो गया, पर आप there is beta there are a lot of things that you have to write now। There are a lot of books which I have to go through, because when I done my PG, there was no library with us। Okay, we had to search each and every book, contently we had to search it। We had to take a Xerox, we had to take a that this content madam बोल देंगी। We had to go for a लाइब्रेरी, कॉमन लाइब्रेरी, वहाँ जाके झक मार के मक्खी मार के जो मकोड़े होते हैं ना, वो कुर्सियों में, तुम तो जानती हो गवर्नमेंट की कुर्सियाँ कैसी होती है लाइब्रेरी में, मकोड़ों के। तो वो सब कुछ झेल के रिक्वेस्ट करके पाँव पकड़ के, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट के उसमें तो जेरोक्स तो नहीं होते। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2010-12। नाउ इट्स 21-23। अब के तब तो उसी जैसे होते हैं। ओके फाइन, अभी तो गूगल रिलेटेड आ गया है, बट गूगल दे डोंट टेल द एग्जैक्ट स्टोरी। यू हैव टू रीड अ लॉट, स्पेशली जो मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड बुक्स हैं। यू हैव टू रीड अ लॉट। रीडिंग अगर आप पैशन रखोगे तो कहीं का कहीं पहुंच जाओगे। द बुक टेल what book you are learning, reading tells you how good you are। लिख लो मैडम जी, लिख लो। शॉर्ट हैंड आता है मैडम को? शॉर्ट हैंड आता लगता है मैडम?
Nice, sir.
अरे रे 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 वो अगर ऐसे ऐसे चीजें लाइक दैट, इफ यू कुड लर्न लाइक दिस। हाँ, शॉर्ट हैंड बहुत ही सर खपाने वाला वो है। आई नो दैट शॉर्ट हैंड कितना सर खपाने वाला लैंग्वेज है, बट इफ
Mm,
यू लर्न दैट
of course, sir.
and you learn lip reading, first you had to learn shorthand, before that you can learn lip reading। if you learn lip reading means दूर से भी नजर मारते मारते आप बंदा क्या बात कर रहा है करके आप बड़ी अच्छी तरह से समझ सकते हो। ऑलवेज एंड थर्ड थिंग, if you could maintain eye to eye contact। क्योंकि मार्केटिंग में जो बंदा सच बोलता है ना, तो कभी आई टू आई कांटेक्ट नहीं मेंटेन करेगा. ये सबसे बड़ा प्लस which you can have it. If you look into his eyes, if you start speaking means अगर वो झूठ बोलता है तो you can catch him up. Fraction of second. तो कहते ना चुटकी मारने से you can catch it. These are the three things. One, short end. Second, lip reading. And third,
Eye contact.
eye to eye contact. ये तीन चीजें जो कि मार्केटिंग के गुरु है. हाँ, फर्स्ट तो थोड़ा बहुत मुश्किल है लेकिन सेकंड एंड थर्ड यू कैन इजीली लर्न. लिप रीडिंग है एंड दैट क्या कहते हैं जो
Eye to eye. Yes.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
टेक केयर.
Same to you, sir.
आई थिंक मैं
Have a
बहुत
good-
आपका बहुत टाइम ले चुका हूँ.
अरे no, sir. It's absolutely fine, sir.
कितना टाइम लिया? आई डोंट नो.
It's okay. Whatever. Actually,
1 hour 1 hour 9 minutes. बोलो
no, we are happy to listen,
क्या
sir.
क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं करके आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा.
अरे no, sir, nothing like that. I'm just saying कि it's a pleasure to listen you, and the time went on, and it didn't realize
पता ही
that
नहीं
we are
पता ही नहीं
crossed 1
चला.
hour. Yes, sir, exactly.
Okay, ठीक है. Now I'll just throw you a gentle question. Because in this 15, I think madam had taken yesterday or day before yesterday one guy from down from Chennai.
Maybe I don't know, sir.
I think his name is. He only given that questionnaire to me. You are the first in the mobile link chat. You are the first person in that video. And one Chashma guy was there in your right hand side, and middle was the guy whom you were interviewing, right? Day before yesterday, only yesterday it seems. Yesterday morning, 9 to. Yes, yesterday only.
No idea, sir.
Yeah.
No,
Right?
sir, I don't have any
नहीं
idea
अभी
about that.
मैंने जो स्नैपशॉट भेजा वो मैडम को भेज दो. मैडम का नंबर नहीं है मेरे पास. You are the madam, right? I think you are the leader in that.
Yeah.
You are the yes. You.
So, which interview are you talking about? Like, who was there?
वो RV वाला.
Acha, okay, so that was a different girl.
Yeah,
Her
yeah.
name is Anandita.
Huh? अच्छा,
Her
अच्छा,
name,
अच्छा.
yes,
I
sir.
don't- You are. She is different and you are different.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. We're different.
Okay. They took that. They took the interview by 9 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember. Okay, early morning. Yeah, 9 o'clock early morning, yes.
Yeah, 9 o'clock for you. It's early morning only.
As in, she was the first one that day to complete the interview.
And how about the other day one Sagadevan sir? You just interviewed
Yeah.
one Sagadevan. You only.
Yeah.
How was his interview? Because he was telling that everything you spoke in Hindi he couldn't able to understand again.
No, we were interviewed in English only, sir. No
He
Hindi.
answered you.
Yeah, he answered.
How was the means? Okay, you got your answers then.
Yeah, we got
Because,
answers, and he's running a trust, Brightway.
Brightway India Charitable Trust
Yeah.
in Madurai. He is the founder trustee.
Yes, sir.
I was there only today. That's why he was telling me that one ma'am referred one person. He just gave me the link. So they were speaking in Hindi, English. So because their English and Hindi, I couldn't because they are all like
No,
coming.
but he answered all the questions. Like we understood everything.
Because I have to give him a feedback again. That's why. So that's why I'll tell him that yes, 100% they are satisfied from your answers like that. And how about this sir whom